Have you ever felt stuck in a conversation just because you didn't know what to say? Don't worry. Today, I'll share 40 simple English phrases you can use when meeting someone new in the US. I'll say each one twice. First, listen. Then, say it with me. Let's go. Category 1. Meeting people and introductions. Hi, I'm Aya. Hi, I'm Aya. I'm from Japan. I'm from Japan. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I just moved here. I just moved here. It's my first time in the US. It's my first time in the US. What's your name again? What's your name again? How do you spell that? How do you spell that? Could you say that again, please? Could you say that again, please? I'm still learning English. I'm still learning English. It's nice talking to you. It's nice talking to you. Category 2. Everyday questions. Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? What time does it start? What time does it start? How much is this? How much is this? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Do I need to sign here? Do I need to sign here? Is this for here or to go? Is this for here or to go? Do you have Wi-Fi? Do you have Wi-Fi? What's the password? What's the password? Is it okay if I sit here? Is it okay if I sit here? Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Category 3. At school or learning. What page are we on? What page are we on? I didn't understand. I didn't understand. Could you explain that? Could you explain that? Is this homework due tomorrow? Is this homework due tomorrow? Can I borrow a pen? Can I borrow a pen? Do we need to bring our books? Do we need to bring our books? Is there a quiz today? Is there a quiz today? Can we work in pairs? Can we work in pairs? May I go to the bathroom? May I go to the bathroom? Sorry, I'm still getting used to the accent. Sorry, I'm still getting used to the accent. Category 4. With my host family. What's for dinner? What's for dinner? Can I help with anything? Can I help with anything? Should I take off my shoes? Should I take off my shoes? Is it okay to use the shower now? Is it okay to use the shower now? I'm not used to this food yet. I'm not used to this food yet. Thank you for everything. Thank you for everything. Do you need help with the dishes? Do you need help with the dishes? I had a great day today. I had a great day today. Can I go out with Emma? Can I go out with Emma? I'll be back before 8. I'll be back before 8. Great job today. If you made it to the end, that means you just practiced 40 real-life English phrases, the kind that help you survive and thrive in the US. Remember, it's okay to be slow. It's okay to make mistakes. The most important thing is to keep going. Which phrase do you think you'll use first? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to practice again tomorrow. See you in the next story.